59, drill 1, the insert, header, footer, header, type Pat, Van Huss, and it says followed by a space, followed by plain number, page number. Go to options. Oops, sorry, that's the next one. Page number, scroll down to, this might get a little current position, and click page number. Close header. Next one, edit the header by selecting the different first page option and then close the header footer. Okay. Here, go into options, different first page, close header and footer, and there you go. Alright. As far as 59 afterwards, the drills after, you're going to have to be more specific, Sadie, because there's a lot. A lot of that is self-explanatory and just following the directions. So if there's a particular one that you're having difficulty with, let me know. But there's like 12 tasks or 21 tasks. So you have to be more specific. All right? Here you go.